We have a question. Is it original signed or is it a copy on the Brian May Red Special signed guitar?
It is originally signed, which is so cool. Check
Yes,
it out.
Brian May himself actually signed this. We saw him signing on Instagram. I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, would he sign Alyssa's guitar? And I reached out. They weren't signing anymore, but I was able to get him to do it. And
I didn't know any of this was going on. I was like completely surprised,
Yes.
by the way. It was a surprise.
Yeah, I mean, I was so ecstatic when they agreed to sign her guitar, and he had been signing the pink ones in silver, and I was like, would you please sign ours in black? I
Which
think the
looks
black would
so
look
much
better.
better, by the
Yes,
way.
the black looks way better. So that is an originally signed guitar. He showed the year that he signed it,
2024.
and
I love it.
it's so cool. This is a beautiful guitar. She takes very good care of it. I think if anything happens to this, we'll be devastated.
I love it.
Yes. What else about it? Anything else special that we need to talk about, or
I don't know. I mean,
I guess it just is what
it
it
has
is.
a great tone, and it's just a great guitar. I love it.